Beautiful Sun City Grand 2-bedroom Acacia with Casita. Granite transformation counters and breakfast bar and kitchen with slide-out shelves, plantation shutters. All tile floors in Casita and most of main house, laminate floors in bedrooms. Washer, dryer and sink in extended garage with cabinets, ramp and golf car parking. Large covered patio with knee wall and water feature in backyard with view fence and citrus, lemon, orange and a tree with spectacular ruby red grapefruits. Rudd air conditioner replaced in 2012 in main house, Carrier air conditioner in 2019 in Casita. Hot water heater replaced 2015, soft water system 2018. Exterior of house in Casita were repainted in 2018. Enjoy a healthy